Joseph YouTuber. I'm going to show you how to make a bottle or a bottle fish trap. So you'll need a bottle, you'll need a knife, you'll need some tape, and you want to cut with your knife right like this, and you want to go all the way around. So yeah, and then that's the first part. And then you want to get this and just stick it in there. So see how it's in there? And then you want to get your tape. And then you're gonna, come on. You're gonna get your tape and tape it around the outside. And you want to tear the, like this is a Pepsi bottle, and you know the thing that's like, that big thing that's right here, you want to peel that off so the fish can't see. And this can help you catch minnows and all that's all in like crawfish and everything. And it's gonna look like that. And then when they go in there and they don't know how to get out. So that's how you make your bottle fish trap. See ya.